Good morning, student. The class 8. So we will read the lesson 3, mongoose. Mongoose. So here you have already in the creature that is what is called mongoose. Mongooses like to hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for dangerous hunting animals nearby. While poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws, mongooses look very amusing. A common sight in many parts of Africa, they travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. They like to hunt together, keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks or bushes by twittering and calling. Always on the lookout for danger. Hawks, eagles, they warn one another with a special alarm call if they spot anything suspicious. So here the first SCP-1 we have to read paragraph 1 and 2. Mongooses like to hunt together. So here this is a character. They like to hunt together. Mongooses like to hunt together. So here, so they hunt means that we can find that is Sikatoria, that in Oriya, that they like to hunt together. Hunt, hunted, but they always keep a look out for, keep a look out in search. So here, always a alert. They keep themselves alert, keep themselves alert towards any danger. So here, mongooses always keep themselves alert towards any danger. So that what they while poking their noses, that poking their noses means poking, P-O-K-I-N-G, means keeping into. So the noses keeping into holes, overturning rocks with their paws and scratching the ground. Scratch, S-C-R-A-C-H. So TCH, that is scratch, means that you drag with nail, the drag with nails. So here that is drag lines with nails. That is called scratching the ground with their sharp claws. Mongooses look very amusing. So this question that when do the mongoose look very amusing? So first is one that poking their noses into holes, and secondly that they scratch the ground with their sharp claws, overturning rocks. These are some activities that very amusing. A common sight. What is a common sight in many parts of Africa? So they travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. So here, how many are there in a group? There are 20. There are 20 mongoose in a group. So the small creatures like beetles, millipedes are their food. They take millipedes, beetles as the small creatures as their food, and then they like to hunt together. That is another character. They like to hunt together. We have already read in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks or bushes by twittering. So that is there is a calling, then twitter each other. So always on the look out for. That means this is search. So while they are hunting together, they do another things. They search of danger. If hawks or eagles are means they attack them, so they warn one another. They also keep themselves warn another. Signal that one another they signal they give signal to each other whether they found any a doubtful things. We are suspicious, you know, suspicious, that is very doubtful. DOUBT, if you will, that is suspicious. Whenever they find any suspicious thing, they keep themselves alarmed. So again we should go to the SCP-2 that mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Their reactions are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes. They continually dodge snake attack until after a while the snake gets tired. So then they quickly dive in for the kill. So here mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt. So another characteristics of that very amusing character, very extraordinary character of the mongooses, that they kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Moreover, that their reactions are so fast. So they keep themselves reacted so fast that they keep themselves escape each time the snake strikes. They continually dodge snakes. Means escape, dodge, DODGE, that you can find DUODGE, means escape. So escape from themselves from snakes attack until after a while the snake gets tired. When the snake gets tired, they quickly dive on them. Dive, D-I-V, is jump. So when the snake gets themselves tired, at that moment they attack the snake. Again another, all the female mongooses have their kitten. Kitten means little baby of the mongooses, baby mongooses, that is called kitten. At about the same time, they are raised by whole group in a den. Den means that living place of the den, a living place of the mongooses, that is den. So they live in den. They are raised by the whole group in a den made inside an old turmoil hill or hollow log. Turmoil hill, you know, that Vihunka type, that means that sand hill, and hollow of log, inside the log corridor, that means that we can find in the tree. So when most of the adults are out looking for food means they are going to search food, one or two males stay behind to stand guard. So they have guard. So when others are going to in search of food, one or two of them, especially males, they stayed behind to guard until the others return for the night. So that's all. That is SCP 1 and 2. I am going to give you some homework. That page number 19 and page number 20. So all the question answer. So 19 question answer, that till 1 to 10, and another in page next page 1 to 10 also. That's all. Okay. Goodbye.